Hi everyone! Today we will continue to talk about Photoshop filters and learn how to use them for textile design. So let's start our lesson number 27. If you have a second, please subscribe for my channel. As we remember, the main purpose of using filters is the reducing the amount and time of creating the actual artwork. Adobe Photoshop is a very flexible program. It has several basic tools like pencil, brush, paint bucket, so you technically have the opportunity to start from scratch, means from the empty canvas. If you have the excellent artistic skills and plenty of time, you probably don't need any filters. But assuming our time is always very limited, filters will be a perfect tool to make your life easier. Today we will work on some group of prints which we call linear prints. Something like this. Even though they are only bicolor prints, we can turn them to the very elegant and sophisticated design. How difficult is to create linear prints? Obviously, from the first look, we need to sketch all motifs using the pencil tool. But remember, we have our filters. Look at this image I downloaded from internet. Let's convert it to the more workable size, 2 by 3.558, resolution 200 dpi, B-cubic interpolation. Go to Filters, Filter Gallery, Stylize, Glowing Edges. Play with sliders, try to achieve more contrast. Okay, it's pretty already, but I doubt print like this is the easiest candidate for color reduction. And don't forget, we are creating the linear print. So go to Image, Adjust, Threshold. Move the slider to achieve the best black and white balance. Something like this. Is it done? Well, remember, if we are the artist, we can't count only on any computer tool. We still need our creativity. We can enhance our artwork using our art skills and a bit of pencil tool. Now, what if we decide that our outlines are too thin? We can fix it very fast. Go to Filter, Adda, Maximum. Play with sliders. Do you like what we achieved? I think even 1 pixel makes significant difference, but we can make our outlines more bolder. In this case, we can play with the option Preserve. With squareness, we preserve the sharp angles. With the roundness, we make it smoother. Just be aware, the old Photoshop version don't have the option Preserve. Click Cancel. Now I want to make our lines thinner. Go to Filter, Adda, Minimum. Our outline looks more delicate. You can play with the same method. Just be aware, a very fine outline may cause a problem for execution. Also, if we go too far with the slider, you can lose the total designer tool. By the way, these two filters, maximum and minimum, are very helpful in other different situations while you're doing your textile design. Just one thing you have to remember. These filters are technically similar. You just have to choose the correct one, depends on the average color balance. In our situation, the main background is dark. The outline is light. So for the thicker line, we are choosing the filter maximum. What about this print? It has 3 colors on it, but we still can use these filters. Let's think what we need to make this gold outline thicker. Filter, Adda, Maximum. No, doesn't work because outline is darker than the flowers themselves. So click Cancel. Filter, Adda, Minimum. Well, not bad. Of course, we can make some flowers thinner, some flowers thicker. By the way, you can use these two filters even for multicolor prints. Just be careful, they do not preserve the amount of colors. Image mode, index the color 6. Go back to RGB. Play with minimum maximum. I kind of like this. Go image mode, index the color. Yes, there are some additional colors, but they are developed inside this small area. So I think we can put our original amount of colors and the additional ones will be erased by themselves. So as you see, today we will learn two very important filters, maximum and minimum, and know how to use them for our textile design. Also, we will learn about linear prints and know how to create them using the regular multicolor prints as a base. Next time we will start to talk about Photoshop layers. Please subscribe to my channel, like it if you still didn't, and please don't forget to check your bell. See you soon.